Hi guys, my name is Anthony, and today we're gonna make a toy review about Lego Jurassic World. Let's get started. The raptor sees the food. He's in. Let me snap the feet on. And never mind. It's not. The trap is set, and now we captured him. So the helicopter is gonna come, it raises the anchor, and raptor, we got him. Alright, so pretend we were now in Jurassic World when we dropped it off, and then Owen slided by. Let me get his little fingers off. Right. And then the guy with the gun. There's also a crossbow guy. Right, so now that Owen has the backpack, the raptor ate the food. I know the food's right there, but let's pretend he ate it. And Owen calmed him down. But then he got even crazier and he escaped. And then they were firing guns at him. Not real like bullets, just like tracking darts and sleeping darts. We'll find that later. Alright, so we have the gun and we have the tracking dart gun, and I'm really excited to play with this. Alright, so we have eyes on the raptor. And let's pretend he jumped on him and ate him. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum. And then the gun started shooting. Hang on. Like a good aim and fire. We're gonna find lots of green bullets today. Oh, there's one more. Sneak up on him. Now those ones are right there. And let's reload the guy's guns. Right. Bye guys. Hope you leave a like down below. Bye.